No matter what road life brings us down, we may stumble, we may fall, but you know what? This is our life and this is our channel, and we just keep on keeping on. Hello everybody, you might want to tuck your babies in because I've got a scary story to tell you about the Victory Inn in Phoenix, Arizona. Oh, no. Yes, you heard that right. This is a horrendous, disgusting story. We had to stay in Phoenix one night because it got late and we got tired after seeing all the wonderful sights there is to be seen. All the expensive hotels were out of our price range, but the cheap motel rooms were all booked up except for this one, the Victory Inn, which it wasn't that victorious. I mean, victorious. My tongue is getting so tied because just the thought of what you're about to see is scaring me half to death. It all happened in room 127 at the Victory Inn. Oh wow, look, I'm in the dark. Nothing will work. What am I supposed to do? It's kinda getting scary in here. Dark, dark, dark as night. Yes sirree. I guess the only option is to try to make the lights work. Look, I've tried to plug them in. Nothing, nothing, nothing evermore. It's filthy, and look, it doesn't look safe. It's hard to plug in. Oh no, what am I supposed to do? I've tried everything. Oh no, someone please help me. Oh my, it's starting to get really scary. A stain on the wall and the carpet. Oh no! This lamp sure looks like it has had its better days. Oh no, what's happened? What's happened to this poor lamp? It seems like it's broken. Why am I whispering? Am I afraid the lamp's gonna bite me? Oh no, I see a big old dirty light bulb. Ah! Well look, I'm finally in luck. The bathroom light works, but ooh, it is filthy. Oh no, my worst nightmare. Wow, with the bathroom light and this crack in the door, I can at least see. It's a miracle. Yay! Wait a minute, I'm starting to hear something. What is that noise? Oh no!
Hey, I am cockroach number 1. I'm gonna crawl up your nose and through your toes, and I'm gonna crawl in your boxer shorts too. Oh no! I just didn't say that, did I? Yes, I did, because it's very true. This place is disgusting. The health department needs to be called. OSHA. The main headquarters. The police. The fire station. Oh no, maybe the President of the United States. Oh no, I just didn't say that. Yes, I did. Whoever will listen. Whoever will answer our call. Whoever will get rid of us. Aw, we're disgusting little creatures. Yes, we are. But we like our lives here because no one is exterminating us. And we're very comfortable. We lay our eggs. Yes, we do. We poop all over the wall. We're disgusting. Then we get into your bags and you take us home. And then we get new homes there. So we spread like cancer. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We're disgusting. Don't you know? We crawl through your nose. We crawl in your mouth, in and out, in and out, in and out all night long. We crawl through your earlobes. We crawl down your boxer shorts. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We're bugs 17, 18, and 19. How many more of us? Oh, number 20. Meet Fred. Meet Sally. Meet Jim Bob, too. How many more is us? There's Sylvia. There's Frank. There's Henry. There's Eddie. There's Virginia. There's Jerry. There's Peyton, Parker, Preston. There's all. We can name this all. I don't know. Come up with a name. Ferrari. Mustang. Tesla, too. We don't care what you call us, but we all know that were bugs, were nasty, nasty, nasty cockroaches, and other bugs too. We're spiders, we're ants, we're scorpions, whatever bugs we are. Thank goodness there's no bed bugs in this place. Or there would be a major infestation of them too, because they spread worse than cockroaches, worse than us. Yes, they do. Look at that. It got so bad, they put bug powder on the bed. Yes, they did. And that's gonna be going up your nose too. Those little fumes of the bug powder is gonna go up your nose. Hey, look. Cockroaches 25 and 26 came along for the party. They got cold. They had to lay on the blanket. They must have needed a nice, comfortable place to go to sleep. They were tired from all this partying all night long, dancing around, going up your nose and through your toes. Hey, look, the dead fly got tired too. He got so tired, he passed out and he died. He never came back alive again. And the ones that didn't party down your boxer shorts partied in the slight and died. They got electrocuted. Yes, they did. They had one of a heck of a time. And look, number 27. That's all the bugs we saw last night and through the day. I know there's more though. There's millions more of us. So, this is the last of our bugs. The end.
Boy, all those roaches and all those bugs make you want to run for the exit door. But look, this exit sign is about to fall down. It's just hanging there. Oh my, I better go get some help. Help me, help me, help me, somebody. I need to call somebody. I need to call somebody. Take care of those bugs for me. Yes. Oh, let's see. Oh no, I'm not going to knock on that door. It has number 2 on it. Ah! And I definitely can't go down the stairs because the handrail is all wiggly and wobbly. I could fall. This is like the Hotel California. You can check in, but you can't get out. Well, I would try to call on a hotel phone, but look, it's disgusting. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need hand sanitizer, maybe some antibiotics if I even tried to touch that phone. I can't even sit down and get comfortable. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that chair, it's so gross. I can't even sit on the ironing board or put anything on it. Oh my gosh, it's so nasty. Oh, help me, help me, help me, Jesus. I would try to watch some TV with all this scary stuff to soothe me. But no, look at this. The TV is disgusting. And it looks like it was made back in 1950. Oh, and the remote, I can't even use it. What wonderful reception. Let's try this again. They've got that right. I would love to wash this filth off my hands. Oh my, but you can't. Ah! I think I'm gonna skip the waffles, don't you think? I can't even get a nice, soothing drink. I tried to see if I could quench my thirst with some ice, but I tried to get the bucket, but oh my gosh, that ice bucket hasn't been cleaned at all. I wonder what's on it. God knows. Only God knows. I wonder if the gates of Hades are in this ice machine. I hope not. It's right by my bedroom door. Ah! The maids left me a present. A nice, pretty hair and some nice soap scum. Aw, how terrific. I don't think I can exchange that gift at Walmart. At least the shower works. And if all this hasn't been scary enough for you, you better hold on tight because you're gonna need it, because you're gonna fall. in the wet shower. And because of this broken shower rail, even this poor shower curtain has suffered the wrath of the Hotel of Horrors in Phoenix, Arizona at the Victory Inn. Oh my, how sad. I don't even know what this is, but all I know is it's gonna hurt my toe if I walk into this nail through the board. Oh my gosh, and I can't even get some fresh air. This is so filthy. I don't think the air has been cleaned since 1850, and it looks like some homeless person decided to relieve their bladder outside of my window on this air conditioner. Oh my gosh. Well, at least I have a nice pretty hole in the comforter to look at. Oh look, someone's leftover hair from the last person who visited. I wonder if they got out of this Hotel of Horrors. They must have decided to eat the waffles in bed, because look at those crumbs. Oh my. I was trying to see if my face looks frightful from all this terror, but I can't even get a good look at myself. Look at this mirror. Oh my gosh, so filthy evermore. Oh, look at this, a nice squeaky toilet paper dispenser. How lovely. I'm definitely gonna run for the door now. I don't care if it's about to fall on my head. Oh no, please God, please help me get out of this. Oh look, finally outside. A nice sign for me saying whoever was here, at least they got out. Well, at least the kitty cats can have a safe place to use the restroom. The smell of cat feces and urine is just so refreshing to my nose. Yes, it is. I finally escaped the Hotel of Horrors at the Victory Inn in Phoenix, Arizona. Praise the Lord. Here you go, health department. Here you go. I'm gonna give you a little help. There's the address. There's the phone number. That's all the information you need. Hey, look. False advertisement. Wouldn't you think? Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.